oral yeast infection and what you can do about it. Anyone can be a victim of oral yeast infection. In fact, it happens to everyone, from babies to toddlers and even adults whose immune systems are weakened. This illness is caused by Candida albicans, or yeast. The common name for oral yeast infection is thrush. Some of the most common causes of thrush are the following: use of medications such as corticosteroids, antibiotics, and birth control pills, pregnancy, cancer, HIV, diabetes, and dry mouth, smoking, improperly fitting dentures. As you can see from the list, the majority of causes have a direct relation to the immune system of the patient. A weakened immune system is prone to oral yeast infection. It must be noted, however, that Candida albicans is a normal resident inside our bodies, and it is only when there is an overgrowth of this organism that our bodies become susceptible to yeast infection. A telltale sign of oral yeast infection are lesions on the tongue. These lesions are creamy white in color and are slightly raised. They can also appear on your tonsils, gums, or throat. The pain associated with them happens when the lesions are scraped from the mouth. Occasional bleeding may occur too. To treat oral yeast infection effectively, it is important to think of this illness as not just based on the symptoms of pain, burning, or itching. It is an immune system issue that must be dealt with by overhauling the way you live your life. If you are a smoker, then you have to give up that habit once and for all. Eating good food is also a positive response to this illness. Combine a healthy array of fruits and vegetables in your diet and some protein, as well as good fats, to make a well-balanced diet. For topical solutions, oregano oil is very effective with oral yeast infection. Apply it directly to the infection and notice how relieved you will feel. Another solution that is effective in fighting yeast infection in the mouth is cinnamon oil. It has been tested in clinical studies to be unforgiving, even to drug-resistant strains of Candida. For preventative measures, always practice good oral hygiene. Avoid the use of mouthwashes or mouth sprays because they can disrupt the linings of the mouth and encourage Candida growth. Sugar-laden food products should also be kept to a minimum, as well as products that contain yeast, like beer, wine, and bread. Maintain a lifestyle in moderation and you will be on your way to complete freedom from yeast infection. Ever thought of curing your yeast infection permanently, once and for all? If so, visit www.cureyeastinfectionholistically.com for more free videos that will reveal to you a clinically researched system that will eliminate yeast infection for good.